every time, yeah, why do you try to deny it when you show up?
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have SlimeShadyShop and Slimes with Jacklyne. First of all, these are the SlimeShadyShop slimes and this is the Patrick. I didn't review this one. I reviewed this one in my last video. It's just there for show, really. And first up we have Stitch Butter. And this slime was actually really good. The scent was amazing. The stretchiness, the butteriness, it was awesome. I love this slime. Next is Funfetti Cake Crunch. This slime smelled so good, literally like vanilla. It was amazing. It was just sticky even after I tried playing with it. So enjoy this slow-mo though. I also really liked the addition of the sprinkles inside this. Also, I kind of overactivated it, so that's why it kind of tears apart in certain places, but the crunches were really good. Everything else was really good, so I give this slime 10 out of 10. Next, we have Captain Crunch Boba. This slime, oh my god, it smells amazing. I literally have no words. I kind of overactivated it, but still, it has great pops, and it's amazing. I love it. The only thing I would change about this slime is I wish it had more foam in it and boba pieces, but that's all. This slime is Baja Blast Icy. I didn't play with this one only because it would get under my fingernails and I really hated that, and it smelled like cleaner to me. This is Unicorn Gumball Machine by SlimebyJacklyne, and I just want to say all her slimes are gross. Like literally the smell was disgusting. I had to fix them on my own, and honestly they were an overall waste of my money. So yeah. And before we start, just so you know, I made custom scents for all these, so. Sorry to interrupt the ASMR, but the reason there's all these stickers is because I kind of messed up in my editing, putting all my words down, so I'm sorry. And this slime is Tropical Skittles, which is 6 ounce for $9. This slime is actually pretty good. It did not smell the best. It smelled like what your mom would get you if you were a Justin Bieber fan when you were a little kid. So, no thank you. I had to change it to a black cherry scent, which I actually really like. I would also like to mention really quickly that the other one was Scented Island Papaya. And as you can see, the bubble pops are actually really amazing. They're satisfying, if I can say so myself. One thing I forgot to mention, this slime also inflated along with a lot of the other slimes I've already shown in this video. This one is caramel popcorn. It was an 8 ounce and it was on sale for $7. Also, this is what I put in it to make it smell better. It actually made it frothy, buttery, and it really felt like if you were putting your hands in Cocoa Pebble cereal instead of popcorn. I actually loved this texture, and I would definitely love to buy from a different shop that has this texture. I will say though, this scent was much better than the last two. It wasn't bad. It was chemically a little bit, so that's why I added the soap. I realized kind of late in this video that the ASMR was super long, and I will say that later on in the video, but I would like to clarify the things that I used in this video for the slimes to make them smell better. I used foaming hand soap, regular soap, and then lotion. I used vanilla lotion, and I used Island Papaya foaming hand soap and black cherry regular soap. And thank you so much for watching this slime review. I'm sorry that ASMR was so long. I didn't realize how long it actually was when I was doing the video, but I really hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next review.